What's going on, YouTube? If you're having problems with your LG TV and every time you try to turn up your volume, you see a muted button, I'm going to show you a quick fix. Okay, on your LG remote, here's your settings. So if you select settings on your TV, you should see a menu column. Go down to sound, and as you can see, the sound says not supported. So if you hit your OK, that prompt will pop up. Sound mode cannot be adjusted unless the TV is set to use the built-in speakers. So basically what that's telling me, now that I'm not using my sound bar, I need to turn or adjust my TV to use the built-in speakers. Because every time I volume up or down, I see that muted button. So let's adjust the built-in speakers to work. So right now, as you can see, it say our sound mode is not supported. If you hit the OK button on your remote, this message will pop up. Sound mode cannot be adjusted unless the TV is set to use built-in speakers. So what we want to do is go down one, and as you can see, our sound out is connected to a HDMI device. That's your problem right there. You want to change that. So just on your remote, hit your right arrow button after you hit OK. So let's hit OK. We're going to move to the right, and these are different sound out options. You have your Bluetooth device plus TV speakers. You have your optical out device plus TV speakers. You have your TV speakers. You have your Bluetooth devices if they were connected. You have mobile devices, optical out. So what we want to choose is TV speakers, since we don't have anything connected to our TV now. So let's go and choose TV speaker. So I'm going to go ahead and select TV speakers. Now your volume up and down should work. So let's see if the volume up and down is working. As you can see in the upper right corner or the upper mid corner, our volume is now working. So if you're not getting any sound to your TV, you just need to go into your settings and change your sound out. So let's back up. We're going to go to our remote. There's your settings, the gear icon. On your left side of the TV, you have some options. You have picture mode, sound out, gain optimizer, sleep, network, all settings, and edit mode. Now you can go into all settings and get some results, but the quickest way to do this is we want to make sure that our sound out is connected to TV speakers. It could be connected to Bluetooth devices, mobile devices, optical out devices, HDMI, which is very popular if you have a sound bar or any type of sound equipment connected to your TV. Bluetooth device is another popular one. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like, subscribe, and share. And until the next time, take care.